Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have 2 more entries for my challenge going on right now. And I kind of made a mistake. The last one was entries 2 through 5. I think on the video I said 6, but it was 5. I actually have entry 6 here. And this is from my good friend Donna Clark and James, who is over across the pond in the UK. And so I got this today. I'm so excited. I opened it, but I haven't gotten anything out. Oh, Donna, what did you do? Oh, my goodness. So she's got a little sticky note. It says, "Hi, Donna. Thanks for hosting an amazing challenge and a massive congrats on hitting an amazing number of subbies. Very well deserved. Sending crafty love, Donna CJ." Oh, y'all, look at this. Curious and Curiouser. You know this has got to be, oh, my goodness. Y'all, look at this card. Okay, so it opens up like this, and then you have this little Alice image in here, and then she stands up like this, and then this one stands up behind there. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Oh my gosh, Donna, thank you so much. This is so cute. I know Donna's getting ready to have to do Alice in the Wonderland album, and I can't wait to see that. Okay, it looks like she has sent me some wooden frames. I love these for projects. Thank you very much. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, she sent me a heart, a little thing to hang up. Look at this. Is this not beautiful? Donna, I love that paper. You must tell me what that comes from. This is beautiful paper. And look at this beautiful butterfly. And another butterfly down here. This is so pretty. And the roses, they look like wild orchid craft roses. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Donna. And then, that's not all. She sent me some Grace Taylor Forest Friend washi tapes. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is what they look like. If you can see that. It's like little mushrooms and these right here. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, let's look and see what her cards look like. I apologize, guys. I still have one of my children here, so. But I actually saw her VR. Look how stinking cute this is. It does make me smile. That is so cute, Donna. It's got the little pineapple with dimensional glasses on, and it says 1500 and aloha. That is so cute. And then she sent me a little card with her information on there. Her birthday is July the 12th. And then she says, "I think I've been a subbie for about 2 years. My favorite thing about your channel is the variety of your videos. Love that, Donna." Aw, I love you too, Donna. You're an awesome friend. And I can't wait to pop over to the UK and meet you. But this is adorable. Thank you. And thank you for this gorgeous hanging. A heart hanging. This is so pretty. And the frames and the washi tape. And thank you for this beautiful card. I love this. I absolutely adore it. Thank you so much. Alright, and so you are entry number 6 into my challenge. And I'm going to put your stamp in the book. I think I skipped a page from my last one. I did. Okay. I'm going to have to glue all these in, I know, but I just haven't done it yet. So you have a page reserved for you. And see how this works is you put your information stamp and your other stamp on the other side. We cover up her address. And it looks like that. And so this book is getting full. So I'm so happy about that. But thank you so much, Donna. I really appreciate the extra little goodies. That was not necessary, but I love this, and I especially love my card. And I love the washi tape, so thank you again. Okay, so now I have entry number 7, and this is from Marcia Taylor. And all the lights to the sea. You and the sea. Oh, this is so cute. I love this washi tape. I wish I could get it off, but it's all taped on there. So give me like 1 second. I thought I had opened this, but I didn't. So I'm just going to cut the edge of this off and hope I don't cut anything. Because she has it all taped up nice and cool. And this is a lot more Marcia than just a card. You guys did not have to send extras. It's taped to, oh my gosh, how did you do this? Okay. It's taped to the inside of the package. Look at this. It's all wrapped up. So nice and neat. I'm going to have to see how I can save that washi tape off there. That's gorgeous. Okay. Take my scissors and snip through this. Everything's all wrapped up so nice. Love this craft paper. She did not want it to go anywhere. Ooh, how pretty. Okay. And that was all wrapped up. Now look, this is all wrapped up. Oh my goodness, Marcia. Okay. Marcia is a newer subby of mine. I'm so glad she joined our channel. I said her name wrong for so long, she finally corrected me, which I'm so glad she did. I love all this washi tape on here. I may try to save some of this washi tape and put it in my scrap junk journal that I make with my challenges. Okay, so let's see what this says. Let's look. Oh, these are some cute oh, look, these are some really cute papers. Or envelopes. Oh, look at this. This is stationery. Look how cute that is. And then some labels and the envelopes to match. Oh, thank you, Marcia. Look at the turtle. That is so cute. Love it. Donna, greeting card and note. It is okay to open this card and read the note inside the card on camera. Happy crafting, Marcia Taylor. And she wrote, Marcia. I got it this time, Marcia. Warm thoughts can make the sun a little brighter, the sky a little bluer, and the world a little nicer. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? I love that paper, Marcia. And it says, sending you warm thoughts. And that's what the inside looks like. And she stamped created by, but she didn't sign her name. So, Marcia, I will put your name on this because if I do recycle and use this card, then thank you for sending it that way. I want to make sure that whoever does it gets the credit for it. I love that, though. That is really cute. Very creative. And then she's got a little note in here. And it says, Donna, in a recent Dollar Tree haul video, you bought 30 sheets activity paper pad and commented how beautiful the paper was. I had already discovered this paper and felt the same way. So I altered the 8-pack of cards from Dollar Tree that I used for the main focal panel. Oh, that's what that was. With that paper from the Dollar Tree. Oh, how cute. Unless a card is for a special occasion, I don't write my message or sign on the card. But I use pretty paper like this to write my message and sign it here too, so that the recipient can mail the card to someone when they're tired of looking at the card. Happy crafting, Marcia Taylor. Card recipe on the next sheet. Oh, look. And she did a little... That is so cute. What a neat idea. The card base and envelope is from Hobby Lobby. The main focal panel is 8 for $1 cards from the Dollar Tree. The purple and cream CS from Michael's Recollection brand. The ombre dotted paper is from the Dollar Tree, the 30 sheets activity paper pad. The stamp on the inside from My Favorite Things. And yes, I love this stamp. Sending you warm thoughts. And it's the Cozy Greeting stamp set. It's retired, I think. Ink is VersaFine Onyx Black. Stamp on the back of the card from the Stamps of Life Created for You stamp set. Washi tape on the inside panel from the Michael's Recollections narrow washi tape set. Punch globe on the inside panel is Fiskars Globe, Teresa Collins edition, punched from Doris glitter paper, 12x12 singles, bell gown. I love this, Marcia. What a neat idea. And you know, I never thought about doing that, but that's a wonderful idea. So whoever gets a card, they can know how it's been made. Thank you for that. That is a wonderful idea. And then she's got a little envelope that says goodies and has this cute washi tape on it. I know where these came from. These came from the Dollar Tree because I have some too. What in the world did you put in here? Oh, I like this. Each of us will be a blessing to the other. Isn't that cute? Oh, and then she made me some United States die cuts, which I have none of those. Oh, and she made 2 of these. And then she made 2 little frames to go with them. They match, one white and one cream. I may use this as a focal for a card this week. And then, oh, I like this laminated washi tape by Park Lane Travel. This is really cute. You know, I'm going to have to do a passbook stamp with travel with this washi tape. And then this one is washi tape by Miss Sparkle Travel. Marcia, these are wonderful ideas. I'm so stealing them from you. Oh, it says, please watch video on my favorite things on how to assemble or glue this felt loopy bloom dynamics. Oh my goodness. This is, okay. Oh, I love that sheet of paper, by the way. Look at this. This is how to make a felt bloomy thing. And I think I know how I did these. A long time ago, I had this thing that cut ribbon. It was a ribbon cutter, and you cut your strip, and then you folded it in half, and then you took like a pencil or a wire thing, and you put it on the end like this, and you rolled it like this. Now, this is probably not how she meant to do this, but I will watch the video. But you rolled it around and round and round like that. This is not very tight, but you create a little flower out of that. This is really cute. Thank you so much. I will watch the video and figure out how to do that. So thank you. That's very sweet of you. And I love this little note paper. Oh, and she sent me some sheets of this note paper. Yay, look at this. Isn't this cute? Yes, this will go into a nautical project. I love all this, Donna. My name's Donna. Marcia. Ooh, y'all, it's been a long day. Can I tell you how long a day it's been? With God, all things are possible. I love these little color cards. They're encouraging color cards. And this one says, God's blessing are as wide, as deep as the ocean. And I had these cards and I gifted them. So I gave them away a while back. And then, girl, you just did too much. Oh, look here. She created a whole passport setup for me, is what she did. These are really cute. The little inserts from the cutout frames. And then these say celebrate. And then these say adventure. Oh, Marcia, thank you so much. I will do a passport with these. And then there's little speech bubbles. And then there's mini state maps. Oh, these are so cute. And then she sent me some of the globes. There's a little thing right there. And then the little frames. And then the stars. And the little handprints. Oh my gosh, how adorable. And here's the little globy things. Oh, thank you so much. And I love this little glassine envelope. Did you make that? Because that is really cute. And when I get through using these, I'll use the envelope in a junk drawer. Y'all should know me by now. I throw absolutely nothing away. I use everything. I love these. Thank you so much. These are going to be perfect for a junk journal. I mean, not a junk journal, but a passbook. All right, so here's her passbook stamp. And I love all this washi tape on this plastic bag. Okay. And this one's got Mickey Mouse on the back of it. I tried to get it off, but it didn't work. Oh, how stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is from Florida, and it says, This is cute. This is really cute. 1500 Subbie Celebration, Florida. Oh my gosh. Y'all look how stinking cute that is. And then here's her little card. It says, Marcia Taylor. See, it's spelled M-A-R-C-I-A. And I wanted to say Marcia so bad all the time. And she finally corrected me. She said, it sounds like Marcia. And then her YouTube channel is Marcia Taylor. But she said, I don't have any subbies or content. I just have it to leave comments. And then her birthday is November the 16th. Card making style is usually simple and clean. Home style, comfortable and formal. Her favorite colors are any shade of purples. That's one of mine too, girl. From pale lavender to deep plum. And she said, I can't find the date I subbed. Well, that's okay. I really flubbed up on that, y'all. According to the YouTube help section, I enjoy all your videos, but I especially appreciate your Dollar Tree hauls. Well, thank you so much, Marcia. That is adorable. And then she sent me a little note here, but she does not want me to read that on camera, so I'll read that off camera. And like I said, I will put you down. You are entry number 7. And I so appreciate this. This is so stinking cute. I love it. So, I'm going to have to one of these days get my own little machine or something that I can dye. Well, I have dyes, but I don't have that many, but these are really cute. Look how chunky this is getting. I'm so happy. Thank you all so much. Y'all were so sweet. I really appreciate it. The goodies are so awesome. Thank you. That was not necessary, but it was very appreciated. And I love the stationery. I don't know. I hope you won't be offended if I don't use it to write letters with. It might go into a junk journal. But this is so cute. I want to do a nautical junk journal. So, I don't know. But anyway, guys, those are my entries, number 6 and 7, from Little Spaceman Paper Crafts, who was Donna Clark and James, and from Marcia, excuse me, Marcia Taylor, who is just Marcia Taylor on YouTube. But she, we have to talk her into doing videos because, oh my goodness, she's talented. So anyway, if you're not joining in on the challenge, it is definitely not too late. It is open until July the 1st, so as long as you have it postmarked by July the 1st, you'll be good. I will probably draw the winner. I was going to do it earlier, but I think I'll probably do it after the 4th of July weekend because so many people will be out of town or busy or doing things. So I'll let you know exactly when. But, so you still have plenty of time. So if you haven't done it yet, join in on this challenge. I have another passbook to fill up. So please join in. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Again, thank you, Donna, and thank you, Marcia, very much. You did beautiful work. And I look forward to seeing some more of yours that have already told me you've mailed them. All right, have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.